Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to sort in Microsoft Word like a pro. Without taking much of your time, let's dive in. Now, the first thing to note when trying to sort Microsoft Word is to highlight on, if it's a text, you highlight on the text. It's a paragraph, you highlight on the paragraph. If it's numbers, you highlight on it. And then you come to Home. Come here, you see sort, click on sort, paragraph. It will give you the options of the things you want to highlight. But for this one, it's paragraph. You click on text. I want to rearrange this in alphabetical order, so I'll click on ascending and click on OK. It will automatically rearrange this. As you can see, it is now in alphabetical order: A, B, C, E, G, J. Now for numbers, it's still the same process. You highlight on it, you come to Home, you click on Sort, Numbers, click on Numbers. If I want it to be in ascending order, I'll click on ascending order. It will rearrange this. If I want it to be from the highest to the lowest, and there you have it. Two more tips like this. We'll be hosting a free course on Microsoft Office Suite. The link will be in the description. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Catch us in our next video. Bye.